Having a hectic schedule causes people to be bad at managing meal times and, more often than not, skipping them in order to get more work done. Completing work on time, or even ahead of time, can provide you with more time to do other things. However, don't let this cause you to forget to eat, even if it means resisting hunger or feeling extremely hungry later. The reason for this is that suppressing hunger or leaving your stomach empty for an extended period of time, even too long, has a negative impact on your body's health. There are a slew of health risks lurking behind your hunger that you should be aware of. Negative impact of holding hunger. Many people continue to underestimate hunger by delaying or even skipping meals. In fact, hunger is a signal from the body to tell you that it requires nutritional intake, so that it can continue to function optimally in the face of your hectic activities. What happens if a person is constantly hungry? Malnutrition. The most obvious effect you may notice is a lack of nutrition or malnutrition in your body. This not only makes the body appear thin, but it also causes a slew of other health issues. One of them is anemia caused by a lack of iron, and the other is immune problems caused by a lack of vitamin C. Risk of chronic disease. Hunger, according to the USDA, is linked to chronic health problems such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and diabetes. In fact, because it is always balanced with other unhealthy lifestyles, such as excessive caffeine consumption and a preference for fast food because it is eaten faster, this condition can worsen. Not to mention the practice of staying up late and indulging in sweet foods or beverages. Metabolism problems. Holding back hunger has an impact on metabolic problems, in addition to malnutrition and vulnerability to chronic health problems. This condition develops as a result of irregular eating hours, which disrupts your circadian rhythm. Finally, you are at risk of gaining weight, having immune problems, and having other health issues. Mental health issues. Stress can be exacerbated by persistent hunger. This can lead to depression, anxiety, and even PTSD. Not only that, but you will become more emotional, easily agitated, and have a mood that changes quickly. Body easily fatigues. Hunger is a natural mechanism released by the body as a signal that the body requires energy to function. That is, suppressing hunger prevents the body from getting the energy it requires, causing you to become tired easily, have difficulty concentrating, and even be unable to perform activities. Water, in addition to food, is essential for maintaining body health. You will be dehydrated if you are constantly hungry and thirsty. Because it can cause headaches, fainting, decreased heart rate, electrolyte disturbances, heart attacks, and even organ damage or failure, this condition will have a negative impact on your health. Those who experience hunger as a result of being hungry too frequently, are unable to eat normal amounts of food right away. To avoid other effects on the heart, neurophysiology, and swelling of body tissues, the body must restart at a relatively slow rhythm. Thank you for watching, and may this information useful for you.